Hey guys, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to learn how can we add a chart on the dashboard on the Asana app. So let's get started. Once you open the Asana app, you will get this page. Here you have to click on the any of your work and you can see here option of dashboard. Click on this and you can see an option of add chart. You have to click on add chart. Total task by section, you have to write here total tasks by section. And you can also choose the chart style. You can choose a color for you and you can choose lines. If you want, you can just click on the number and you can just choose the number style here, and you can value according to task count and time. You can add filter if you want. You can just add a filter here. You can add name or email. Now just click on the create. So now you can see your new chart has been created here. If you want to edit this, then you can just click on the edit chart, and if we choose this one, add column, so it will look like this. You can also choose bump like this and click on the save option. So now you can see this is your new chart here. So this is how you can create a new chart on the dashboard. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.